Hey 4xe fans, I wanted to do a little catch-up video after a couple years of testing. A couple years ago I uploaded a video and put this little cup on here. This is Dave's 3D printed stuff. He made this, and it's printed out of a somewhat softer plastic, I guess, where you want to call it. It's not a rubber, but it's a softer material, and the idea is that it goes in here and covers your charge port instead of that plastic cap thing you have to pull out and then plug in. And the question at the time was, would it protect the innards of your little charge port here? And the way you install it is like perfect. You just put it in the port and then close the door on it, and then it's, you know, in its spot where it needs to be. And I came back from Ocala National Forest. Oh, I don't have the badge for it yet, but I came back from there, and it was dusty, dirty. It was just sand everywhere. And I noticed just the other night that this part of my charge port is still clean, even though everything around it is dirty and sandy and dusty. And I just thought that was an excellent testimonial for Dave's product that he's come up with here. And he's not paying me anything to do this, so this is just me excited about somebody else's invention. And after 2 years of testing, you can see that the charge port is very clean, and I mean, it works perfect. It's a great design, and you can see it's kept dust and dirt and everything out of there and kept it out here where it needs to be. So yeah, I need to get in here and clean that up and everything, but it's an excellent model. You can tell that it has really done a good job of keeping that clean. So thanks to Dave, and I'll put he had some discount codes set up. I'm gonna have to check with him, but I'm gonna put them in the comments down below. And anyway, and we'll see if that still works after 2 years. But just wanted to give a little shout out to Dave's 3D printed stuff there on Etsy. This is awesome. Thanks for watching.